Good morning, dear students. In the second video of Boolean algebra, we will start discussing with logic gates. The logic gate is a circuit with one or more inputs that has only one output signal. A gate is a digital circuit because it can take only two values, either high or low. That high or low we will discuss later on. So basically, to create the relay switching circuits or to create the logic circuits, we need some gates. So we can define the gates into different categories. First of all, we will discuss basic gates today. There are three basic gates as AND, or not. Three basic gates. We will start from these gates in this video. The number one is AND gate. The AND gate returns true if and only if both the inputs are true. As I told you, it is 0 or 1, it is off, it is on, it is false, it is true. So when both the inputs, all the inputs are true, it returns true if and only if both the inputs are true. Symbol of AND gate is like D. D letter in English alphabet. We can create a logic circuit. Here, if two inputs A and B are passed, and this we can say a result Y. So these two inputs are passed in this AND gate, and the result produced as a single output signal in Y. The Boolean expression can be placed as Y equals to A and B. This AND can be represented by a symbol as A dot B. This dot represents AND gate. A circuit diagram can also be made by which you can understand it properly as A and B. These two switches are placed in this circuit. So when this circuit will get complete, if switch A is on, circuit will not be completed. If switch B is on, circuit is not completed. It will be completed when both the switches are on. So, as a truth table, two inputs are passed. So 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. 4 possible combinations can be made. Two values A, B, and the result A and B. The possible values are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. AND gate will return true when both the inputs are true. So in every case it returns 0, and in this case only this will return 1 when both the inputs are 1 as true. So first gate is AND gate. The symbol is like D in English alphabet. The Boolean expression can be written as A and B. This dot symbolize AND gate. This is a circuit diagram made, and this is a truth table for AND gate. Now, next is OR gate. OR gate. The definition is OR gate returns true if either of input is true. Means out of 2 or more, either of input is true. If any value is 1, the OR gate returns true. The symbol is like this. This is a symbol of OR gate. The logic circuit we can make as A and B are two inputs passed, and this is the result. The Boolean expression can be made as that y equals to A or B, and this or symbolized at A plus B. This plus symbol represents OR gate in Boolean algebra. So after this Boolean expression, we can create a circuit diagram. For OR gate. Look at this. Switch A and switch B. In this case, this is for OR. In this case, if either of switch is on, the circuit will complete. If A is on, then also, and if B is on, then also. If both the switches are on, then also the circuit is completed. So for the truth table of this OR gate, A, B and A plus B, the combinations, what I told you, either of input should be true. Here one input is true, here one input is true, here both the inputs are true. So the result will be 0, 1, 1 and 1. Total number of combinations are 4, because 2 inputs are given. 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. So OR gate returns true if either of the input is true. OR is also a logic gate which returns always a one output signal. So A or B are the inputs, Y is the output signal, plus is the symbolic representation of OR gate, circuit diagram and the truth table. This is the second basic gate, OR gate. Now third one is NOT gate. NOT is the inverter gate. Inverter I am telling you. Inverter because it accepts only one gate, only one input, and in the output it reverses it. The symbol is a triangle with a 0 here. This is the symbol of NOT. It always takes one input and returns one input. If A is the input, then in the result it will be A bar or A bar. That bar represents NOT, A NOT. But if 0 is the input, it turns into 1. If 1 is the input, it returns into 0. So Boolean expression will be here y equals to A bar or A bar. This hash, this dash symbol or this bar symbol. By these two ways we can show NOT. The circuit diagram, if we create, suppose here is a switch, and this is a bulb placed. This bulb is on now because the current is passes there. But when this switch is on, so the bulb will be off, because the rule is the current passes the shortest distance. Current will pass here, not here now. So this is not. When this is off, it is on. When this is on, this is off. This is not yet. The truth table is single input we are taking, and in case of not, if it is 0, result is 1. If it is 1, result is 0. So this is also known as inverter gate, which is going to inverse the original value input. So there are three basic gates we have discussed today: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Thank you.